Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about some great scientists as well as their discoveries and inventions. Now let us discuss about Archimedes. Archimedes was born in the year 287 BC and died in the year 212 BC. Archimedes was a great ancient mathematician as well as physicist. The discoveries and inventions made by the Archimedes are evolution of the principle of levers, effect of sunlight on mirror, calculated the value of pi with a remarkable accuracy at between 3.1408 and 3.1429. His work on the analytical geometry gives the properties of sections of spheres and cones. Screw of Archimedes useful to lift water from a lower level to a higher level. The books written by Archimedes are Equilibrium of Planes, Sphere, Cylinder, The Circle Measurement, Parabola, Spirals, Conites, Spheroids, and the Phi and the Reckoner, Floating Bodies, Choices, The Method, 2 volumes, etc. Next, Antony Lavoisier, 1743 to 1794. He was a French nobleman. He made many contributions to chemistry and some called him as the father of modern chemistry. Lavoisier studied combustion reaction in detail. For example, during combustion reaction, he not only carefully weighed the solid reactants but also took into account the gases involved. He perfected chemical apparatus which ensured that gases did not escape during the reactions. This led to the law of conservation of mass. Next, John Dalton, 1766 to 1844. John Dalton was born in a poor family in 1766 in England. He began his career as a teacher at the age of 12. 7 years later, he became a school principal. In 1973, Dalton left for Manchester to teach mathematics, physics, and chemistry in a college. His discoveries are: in 1808, he presented his atomic theory, which was a turning point in the study of matter. He kept daily weather records from 1787 until his death in 1844. His interest in meteorology led him to develop theories on water vapor and mixed gases. He studied in a variety of weather phenomena and about the instruments used to measure them. He is also known for his work on color blindness. The books written by John Dalton are New System of Chemical Philosophy, Meteorological Observations in 1793. Next, Hans Christian Ørsted, 1777 to 1851. Hans Christian was one of the leading scientists of the 19th century, played a crucial role in understanding electromagnetism. The discoveries made by him are: in April 1820, Ørsted placed compass needle underneath the wire and then turned on electric current. From this experiment, Ørsted showed that electricity and magnetism were related phenomena. Further, it leads to electromagnetism. The awards and honor of Ørsted are: the unit of magnetic field strength is named Ørsted in his honor. Member of Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences in 1822. Next, Humphrey Davy, 1778 to 1890. Humphrey Davy, a professor of chemistry at the Royal Institute in London, constructed a battery of over 250 metallic plates. In 1807, using electricity from this battery, he was able to extract highly reactive metals like potassium and sodium by electrolysis of fused salts: calcium, strontium, barium, magnesium, and boron in the following years. Davy discovered the elemental nature of chlorine and iodine, invented the Davy lamp, a device that greatly improved safety for miners in the coal industry. John Berzelius, 1779 to 1848. John Berzelius was born on 20th August 1779 in Sweden. He is one of the founders of modern chemistry. His inventions are: John Berzelius suggested that the initial letter of an element written in capital should represent that particular element, such as O for oxygen, H for hydrogen, and so on. He is especially noted for his determination of atomic weights, modern chemical symbols, electrochemical theory, the discovery and isolation of several elements, the development of classical analytical techniques, Berzelius' investigation of isomerism and catalysis phenomena that won their names on him. Medals: he received Copley Medal in 1836. Next, Johann Wolfgang Daubeney, 1780 to 1849. Daubeney, a German chemist born in 13th December 1780 and died on 24th March 1849. The discoveries are the periodic law for the chemical elements, Daubeney's lamp. Daubeney, 1829, noted that there were groups of elements with three elements known as triads in each group with similar chemical properties. Law of triads. When elements with similar properties are taken three at a time and arranged in the ascending order of the atomic weight, the atomic weight of the middle element is the average of the atomic weights of the first and third element. He gave a clue that atomic weight could be correlated with properties of elements. This led to the rigorous classification of elements and the modern periodic table of elements. Next, Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867. Michael Faraday, a British chemist and physicist, was born on September 22nd, 1791 and died on August 25th, 1867. Faraday is the father of electromagnetic induction. Faraday had worked as a hawker of the newspaper and book binder. He used to read all the books he received for binding. The book which impressed Faraday was Conservation of Chemistry for Electricity and Science. On the recommendation of Humphrey Davy, Faraday was appointed as a laboratory assistant in the Royal Institute. Faraday was given fellowship of the Royal Institute of Science for his invention gases could be liquefied by pressure. The works of Michael Faraday are: Faraday worked in the field of glass and steel, analysis of chemical analysis, and the investigation of chlorides of carbon. Faraday made the first dynamo. The credit for the existence of modern generators and dynamos goes to Faraday and Henry. Paramagnetism and diamagnetism and the relationship that existed between electricity and combining power of the chemical element. Michael Faraday, for his enormous service to the science of electricity, was honored by naming two of the electrical units. Next, Euler Friedrich, 1800 to 1888. He is a German chemist who was the student of Berzelius. Prepared ammonia cyanide from silver cyanide and ammonia chloride. He accidentally synthesized urea in 1828. This was the first organic synthesis and shattered the vitalism theory. He discovered that urea and ammonium cyanide had the same chemical formula but very different chemical properties. This was an early discovery of isomerism. Since urea has the formula CONH2 taken twice and ammonium cyanide has the formula NH4CNO. Next, Alexander Parkes, 1813 to 1890. Alexander Parkes is the creator of first man-made plastic. His inventions are: the synthetically produced material was first presented in 1862 in London by Alexander Parkes. To prepare the synthetic material, Parkes heated nitrated cotton which previously soaked in sulfuric acid and made fabric soft and elastic with oil and camphor. This named as Parkinson. Next, Mendeleev, 1834 to 1907. Mendeleev was a Russian chemist and inventor, 27th January 1834 to 20th February 1907. Mendeleev formulated the periodic law, created a far-sighted version of the periodic table of elements, and used it to correct the properties of some already discovered elements, and also to predict the properties of 8 elements yet to be discovered. Mendeleev's important contribution to the determination of the nature of such indefinite compounds as solutions. The inventions of Mendeleev are: Mendeleev is given credit for introduction of the metric system to the Russian Empire. Next, John Newlands, 1837 to 1898. John Newlands was a British chemist. He born on 26 November 1837 and died on 29 July 1898. The inventions of Newlands are: Newland worked on the development of the periodic table, 1866. Newlands, 1865, found that when elements were arranged in ascending order of their atomic weights, they appeared to fall in 7 groups. Each group contained elements with similar chemical properties. Based on the observations, Newland proposed the law of octaves. According to him, elements with similar chemical properties are to be present along a horizontal row. Newlands was the first to assign atomic numbers to the elements. Next, Thomas Alva Edison, 1847 to 1931. Thomas Alva Edison was born on 11th February 1847 and died on 18th October 1931. Was an American inventor and businessman. His inventions are: he developed many devices that greatly influenced life around the world, including the photographs, the motion picture cameras, and the long-lasting practical electrical light bulbs and sound recording. Edison inventions contributed to mass communication and in particular telecommunication. This includes a stock ticker, a mechanical vote recorder, a battery for an electric car, electric power, recorded music, and motion picture. Edison developed a system for electric power generation and distribution. Next, Heinrich Rudolf Hertz, 1857 to 1894. Heinrich Rudolf Hertz was born on 22nd February 1857 in Hamburg, Germany, and educated at the University of Berlin. He was the first to conclusively prove the existence of electromagnetic waves. He laid the foundation for future development of radio, telephone, telegraph, and even television. He also discovered the photoelectric effect, which was later explained by Albert Einstein. The SI unit of frequency was named Hertz in his honor by the International Electrotechnical Commission in 1930. In February 1880, at the age of 23, his thesis brought him the award of doctorate in physics. In August 1879, aged 22, Hertz won the gold medal. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.